Welcome everyone. Through this video, I am going to discuss an important topic of mathematics, that is mathematical reasoning. In the previous video, I have already discussed the basic concept of mathematical reasoning, that is what is statement, negation of a statement, truth table of different statement, conditional, biconditional, conjunction, disjunction, the converse, the contrapositive, the inverse of a statement, tautology, fallacy, and algebra of statement. Today I will discuss about the topics how to find contrapositive, converse, inverse and negative of a statement. First we consider how to find contrapositive of a statement. I have already stated in previous video. Try to recapitulate. The contrapositive of P conditional Q is negation Q conditional negation P. This is our theory. Now we consider problem of JEE main. How to find contrapositive statement. So look, problem number 3. They are all problem of JEE main of 4 marks problem. So problem number 3. If two numbers are not equal, then their squares are not equal. So P is a statement. Two numbers are not equal. Q, their squares are not equal. So contrapositive of P arrow Q is negation Q arrow negation P. So negation Q, their squares are not equal. So what is negation? Their squares are equal. So contrapositive statement is if their squares are equal, negation of this, squares are equal, then negation of P, two numbers are equal. If their squares are equal, then two numbers are equal. This is contrapositive of the above statement. So look, this one is very simple. So it will take maximum 1 minute, but it is 4 marks problem of JEE main. Now we consider second one. Suppose problem number 24. So look, so contrapositive, so statement is reverse and then take negative. So the contrapositive of, so problem number 20, the contrapositive statement of, so what is the statement? If A subset of B and B subset of C, then A subset of C. This is our original statement. The contrapositive of this is if A not subset of C, negative of this, A not subset of C, then A not subset of B or B not subset of C. So negation, if there is negation statement, then and is replaced by or. So this is problem of JEE Main 2000. So how simple it is. Now look, problem number 6. Contrapositive of it is raining, then I will not come if it is raining. So what is contrapositive statement? Contrapositive statement is, so this will come to left hand side with negation. So I will come. Then the negation of this, it is not, it is raining. So negate, it is not raining. So if I will come, then it is not raining. It is raining. Negation is it is not raining. I will not come. I will come. So how to find contrapositive? It is very, very simple. Now we consider converse and inverse of statement. So look, problem number 1. The converse of contrapositive conditional statement P arrow negation Q is. So first we have to find contrapositive of the statement, then we have to take converse. So contrapositive of P arrow negation Q is Q arrow negation P. So negation of negation Q is Q arrow negation P. So this comes to left hand side, this to right hand side, then negation. So this is contrapositive of the statement. Now negation of, then you have to take converse. Converse means, look, converse, if P arrow Q, then Q arrow P, only side changes. So what is converse? So converse of Q arrow negation P is, so negation P arrow Q, negation P arrow Q. So first find contrapositive of this. This is contrapositive. And what is converse? So this comes to left hand side, so reverse. So negation P arrow negation Q. So this is converse. Now I shall consider one problem inverse of conditional statement. Inverse. Look at the theory first. Inverse of P arrow Q is negation P arrow negation Q. So this is our definition. So inverse of the proposition this is. So what is the inverse? This is negation P intersection negation Q arrow negation R. Now from De Morgan's law, so this one is negation P, this is union, negation of negation, this is Q arrow negation R. So inverse. So this is inverse of the problem. So they are of 4 marks problem, and in West Bengal JEE they are 1 or 2 marks problem. So look, it will take least time. Now we consider how to find negation of a statement. So look, from description, you can find problem 1, 2, 9, 10, 15, 19. They are negation of a statement. So problem number 2. If a quadrilateral is a square, then it is rhombus. Then it is rhombus. So statement is P arrow Q. Statement is P arrow Q. Now negation of P arrow Q is negation of P arrow Q. Now P arrow Q, you know the formula P arrow Q. So this is P dash union Q. P dash means negation P. Negation P union, that is disjunction. So this is equivalent to, by De Morgan's law, this is P intersection negation Q. Now what is P? Quadrilateral is a square. Quadrilateral is a square. And Q is, it is rhombus. So if we write it in terms of language, P, quadrilateral is a square. Quadrilateral is a square. And this is and. It is rhombus. It is not a rhombus. Quadrilateral is a square and it is not a rhombus. So if a quadrilateral is a square, then it is rhombus. What is the negation? Quadrilateral is a square and it is not a rhombus. So negation Q. So this is negation of problem number 2. Now so problem number 19, the negation of P disjunction, that is, it is union, negation P, negation Q. So we have to find negation of this. Now we simplify it using set algebra. So what is the simplification? P union, negation P, intersection Q. Now there are two operations, intersection and union. So distributive law, P disjunction, negation P, intersection, P disjunction Q. Now look, it is just like set A union A dash equals to universal set in set, but in mathematical reasoning this is tautology. So this is T intersection P of this. Now in set U intersection A is a smaller one. So T intersection this is this one, smaller of this. So simplified form of this is P disjunction Q. Now we have to find negation of this. Therefore negation of this is negation of P disjunction Q equals to negation P intersection negation Q using De Morgan's law. Using De Morgan's laws. Now this is problem number 19. Now problem number 10 and 15. 10 and 15. So this one is same, that of same. Now we consider problem number 10. Problem number 10. So negation of this P intersection this. So we simplify this part. So P conjunction. So P arrow Q, you know this is P dashed disjunction Q. So we have already stated this property. So by this property, this is Q dashed union negation R. Q dash means negation Q. Negation Q union negation Q union negation R. So now we use distributive law, or we can take negation of this. So negation of above. So negation of the above statement. Negation of P this. This is negation equals to negation P. Negation P. So A union B. So negation P. Intersection will be union. And negation Q union negation R. Total negation. Total negation. Now again using distributive law. So this is Q intersection R. Q intersection R. So look again, P this. So this is negation Q union of this. Now negation of this is negation P. Union is replaced by, intersection is replaced by union. That is disjunction, negation of this. Now from De Morgan's law, complement of complement, it is Q and union is intersection. So these are very simple problem how to find negation. So this formula is useful. P arrow Q conditional equals to negation P union Q. This is our working tool. So De Morgan's law and distributive law are useful for such cases. Now we consider problem. If compound statement is true or false, then find truth values of the simple statement. Simple statement. Suppose this one. Problem number 20. P arrow Q disjunction R is false. So this is compound statement and simple statement are PQR. So P arrow Q Q union R is false. So this is false. From truth table, you know P arrow Q is false. Then P is true and Q is false. So this is our definition. So this is false. Therefore P is true and Q intersection R is false. So Q union R is false. That is disjunction. Now from Q arrow R is false for one cases only. So what is the case? Both are false. So this is false when Q is false and R is false. Q is false and R is false. R is false. So P true, Q false, R false. So P arrow Q this is false. Then truth value of PQR is. So what is the truth value? TFF. 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 TFF is answer. TFF. Now similar like problem number 22, 100% similar. So look, here Q is replaced by negation Q. P arrow negation Q disjunction R is false. From truth table P is true and negation Q, R is false. So P is true, then this one is false when negation Q is false. Negation Q is false, R is false. So negation Q false, so Q is true and R is false. So finally what we are getting? P true, Q is true, negation Q false, so Q is true, so R is false. So answer is, so what is the answer? Truth value of PQR is TTF. TTF will be final answer. So to solve this type of problem, we need only idea of truth values. 4 truth values: P arrow Q, P double arrow Q, P disjunction Q, P conjunction Q. Now we consider 2 more problem. Problem number 11. Now look, P arrow negation P intersection Q is false. P arrow negation P disjunction, that is union, is false. So exactly same problem. So it is false when P is true and negation P intersection Q is false. So P is true. Now union, that is parallel connection, it is false when both are false. So negation P is false and Q is false. So P is true, negation P false, that is P is true, Q is false. So answer will be P true, Q false. So PQ, TF. So answer will be TF. Now last problem number 13. Problem number 13. So exactly same. So truth value of PQR, for which this is false. So P intersection Q union negation R is false. So this one is our connector first. So this junction, it is false when both the components are false. So this is false and negation R is false. Now this conjunction is false. This conjunction is false, that is series connection. When P is true, Q is false. P is false, Q is true, and P is false, Q is false. So these are the possible combination. Now look, what are the answer here? So answer are, you look the possible option. Possible options are FFT, FT, FFT, FFT, FTF, FTF, and number 3 FFF, TTT. These are the 4 possible options are given. So negation R is false, that is R is true. R is true. So last option must be true. So this one is not correct, this one is not correct. We are sure. Now P and P true or false? So P true or, so PT is possible option 1. But look, PT is possible option, PF is possible option, PF is possible option. This is false. So P is false, F is false. These are the possible options. So we are getting with FFT. This is one option. Then TFT. This is possible option. FTT. These are the three possible options. So look, TTT. This is not possible. So only possible option is FFT. FFT. This is also possible options, but these are not given. So if compound statement is true or false, then we can find the simple statement PQR by knowing the idea of truth table. So we have discussed today 4 types of problem: how to find converse, how to find inverse, how to find contrapositive of statement, how to find negation of statement, and these last problems, compound statement is given, find the simple components PQR. So look, these are all 4 marks problem of JEE Main. So if you give simple effort, least effort, then it is very simple to answer this type of problem in least time. So you need only the truth table and P arrow Q, meaning of P arrow Q. If you enjoyed the video, you must share and subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free of cost. Thank you.